We import salvaged timber, which would have been burnt or destroyed otherwise. We slab it up and season it over 6 months, to bring the moisture down. We CNC level each slab, to make sure the thickness is perfect. We add resin, which is solvent-free and zero volatile organic compounds. In simpler terms, it's food-grade safe. We create custom molds and colors depending on the design given to us. If you buy from us, you are buying an environmentally responsible, sustainable, non-polluting product.